friends, it's Miss Megan. I miss you guys. Have you guys been painting a lot? I know I have. When I'm at home and I feel like, there's nothing to do, I do lots of painting. Okay, so Israel's Independence Day, Yom HaZmaut, is coming up in I think 2 weeks. I think it's April 28th and April 29th, but I'm not 100% sure on those dates. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna make an Israeli flag. So in my other video, we focused more on the Star of David that's in the middle of the flag. We also did make a flag out of a paper plate and popsicle sticks. This one, we're gonna make a flag out of Q-tips, computer paper, blue paint, and a ruler, but the ruler is optional, and I'll show you what you need the ruler for, if you want to use it. So, first, I'm gonna take my Q-tip, my white Q-tip, and dip it in my blue paint. Mr. Jake's being really silly. And I'm going to line up my ruler if I want a straight line at the top of my page. Then I'm gonna take my Q-tip like it's my paintbrush, and I'm just gonna make little dots. See? Now you see, even with the ruler, Miss Megan's line is not very straight, but that's okay because it makes it unique. And you can do as many dots as you want or as little dots as you want. So, you see? Look, whoops, I just put my ruler in the blue paint. Uh-oh. Now, I'm gonna turn my paper so you guys can see it. So I have one line now at the bottom of the paper. Now, I'm gonna wipe my hand so I don't stick my blue paint everywhere. And if you guys could tell Mr. Jake to stop being so silly during Miss Megan's videos, that would be great. All right, now we're gonna make another line. Dot, 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 dot. How many dots do you guys think I did? 100? I don't think so. Mr. Jake, if you could stop sticking your tongue out at Miss Megan while she's doing these videos, it's pretty distracting. Okay, so now I have the basis of my flag. And I think I'm gonna get a new Q-tip, and I'm gonna make my Star of David. Now, a Star of David is made out of what? It's made out of a square? A rectangle? Oh, Mr. Jake is saying it's made out of hair. No, it's made out of 2 triangles. One like this, and then the other one going down like that. So, I'm gonna take my Q-tip, and I'm not gonna put it in my ears like Mr. Jake is saying, and I'm going to now make a triangle. A triangle can be a little bit difficult. So I'm gonna go dot, 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 one diagonal line down till there's one point. Now I'm gonna make a diagonal line up. Mr. Jake, you can't stick the Q-tip in your nose. That would give you a boo-boo. He's being really silly right now, friends. No, Mr. Jake, you can't stick it in your mouth either. It doesn't taste very good. Okay, now dot, 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 dot. Look, I made a triangle. Now, is my triangle perfect? No. Does your triangle have to be perfect? No, it's what makes our flags unique. Okay, now I'm gonna dip my Q-tip back in the paint, and Mr. Jake is saying that you can wear it as lipstick. I don't think blue is a really pretty color lipstick, so I'm not gonna put it on. But if you wanna get silly, maybe you can. Okay, maybe I'll put it on Mr. Jake when the video's over. Oh, Mr. Jake is saying no. So now we have to make another triangle. So my triangle is now pointing down. This one is going to point up. Ready? Dot, 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 dot. Whoop. My point up top, just like I have a point at the bottom. Dot, 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 dot. Look, and see, my star isn't perfect, but that's okay, because it makes my flag unique. Another fun thing you can do with this is you can count how many dots you do. And you can tell me how many dots you've made on your flag. I hope you guys enjoy making your flag out of Q-tips and blue paint and white paper. Let me know and let me see your pictures of them. Have a good day.